In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed videos into Google Sites, specifically to play at a particular moment. This is super handy when you want to direct your audience to an exact part of a video without them having to search through it manually. So let's get started. First, open your Google site where you want to include the video. Once you have your page ready, look for the menu on the right hand side of your screen. In this menu, you'll find an icon that resembles a triangle pointing into a box. This is the Drive icon, and when you click on it, you'll open a new window to browse through your Google Drive files. Now navigate through your drive to find the video you wish to embed. It can be any video as long as it's stored in your drive. You're looking for the file that holds the content you want to share. Take your time to browse through your folders until you get to the video you're excited to display on your Google site. Once you've located your video, click on it to select. This highlights the video file you're intending to share. It's important to ensure the video is properly selected before moving on to the next step. After you've selected it, you should see an option at the bottom right of this window that says Insert. By clicking Insert, you effectively embed the video onto your Google site. It's a simple click but crucial, as this step allows your video to be displayed right on your page. Once inserted, you can position and resize the video on your Google site page as needed by dragging the corners in or out, ensuring it fits perfectly within your content. Now, regarding playing the video at a specific moment, after inserting the video, return to your Google Site Editor, click on the embedded video, and you should see options like change, replace, and so forth. Here you can customize how your video behaves when visitors to your site press play. Unfortunately, Google's interface doesn't directly allow setting a start time within the site's editor itself. However, if your video is hosted on a platform like YouTube, you can manage play start times using YouTube's features to set start times when sharing links. With these steps, you have now successfully embedded your video into your Google site, and you know the considerations for setting a starting moment if you're utilizing platforms like YouTube, and there you have it. You are now equipped to guide your site visitors to specific moments within your embedded videos, enhancing their viewing experience and ensuring they zero in on what you want them to see. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy embedding!